GG.
GG, right there.
2016 you did? What you mean? Get a mic, buddy. I will, he says. You don't got an Apple headset?
Jesus Christ, they have a silver.
Ask for one for Christmas. What do you mean it doesn't work? Christmas doesn't work? Okay.
Let's hope it's not a Smurf.
I hope it is a Smurf and he's throwing his way down to bronze.
True.
Not in a stack? Probably not.
I'd like to just go find every Smurf out there and kick them in the balls. That would make me feel good.
You would probably have to kick me in the balls.
I gotta go. I gotta go on. Gotta go on.
No, I mean like legit Smurf, like, you know, Grandmaster, top 500,
Oh,
whatever.
those.
Yeah, that
Because I've made other accounts. Like, but...
Everyone has other accounts.
Yeah. No, I mean like Grandmaster got bored on your main, roll a new one and just troll the fuck out of people.
Yeah,
screaming
the
at
only
you.
thing I can justify is if a Grandmaster or anyone wants to make another account to play for a different hero, like play healer if they never play healer.
Yeah,
like that would make sense to have a different group.
If you're
you
playing
wanna-
Anna, that other guy needs to play Anna.
Do you want easy mode?
Oh wait, does he want Anna? Okay, he
Okay, no,
Easy mode?
This is okay.
No, we're not gonna have enough healing though.
No, this is fine. This is
okay.
fine.
I got it, I
This
got
is
more.
fine, This is fine. Bottom left, bottom left. Guys, bottom left, bottom left, bottom left.
Bottom left, bottom left, bottom
Okay.
left, bottom left, boys.
Come with this
Yeah, I can play Lucio, but they seem to think it's okay.
Already? Oh, you do need already. I thought you were just spamming it for a joke.
Right here, break! Dying, feeding.
That's a pick.
Am I healing?
Kill Ryan, kill it.
Nice, barely. Oh, how did he hit me and not Ryan?
Where's my back?
Yeah, you're low on healing, so play it safe, play it safe.
You're gonna die.
Told you Briggs easy mode.
They have no defensive ult, so we can blade her a little bit to maintain my energy.
I'm walking forward with you.
Or bubble.
Need 3 on card. Okay, just let Bob time out. Get the hell out.
Wait out the Valkyrie. Wait out the Valkyrie and then blade. 10 seconds.
Sorry, he's behind on the
Don't
right.
die, just don't die.
Oh shit. I shielded that. Fuck you, game.
Yeah, I should have asked for your bubble.
Yeah, it's okay.
I should have been telling you went in.
I accidentally gave it to the Moira there on
Hey,
accident.
use my
I didn't mean
TP
to-
when you use your ult. Use my
Fucking
TP.
Moira took my bubble.
We're gonna do this early. We're gonna do this early. Ready, Genji? 3, 2, 1, go! Dario?
Try and Genji.
Back up some, back up some. No bubble, no. Break, break, break. For break, please. Guys, look for break.
Sorry.
Reaper, Reaper,
They
kill
got
Reaper,
Reaper,
kill
they got Reaper, they got Reaper.
Ooh, thank you, break.
Moira to your left. Moira's already.
You guys gotta stop abandoning the cart like that.
Yeah, we're just not stop. Come back, Ryan, come back.
You're going too deep. Like, calm your tits.
It's so much fun though. Like, it's letting me keep up my energy, so I'm like constantly putting out a lot of damage. I'm low-key carrying right now though.
Ryan out of position.
Come back, Ryan. Come back.
Tell me when you're ready to blade, I'm a grab.
Eh.
Now,
He doesn't have to blade.
on car, payload.
Keep 3 of you on payload. Zarya, come with me.
Come back, Ryan.
Right, Ryan,
Oh, behind.
Kill Zarya.
Fall back. Moira, leave.
I
leave.
deflected grab.
Moira, leave.
Did you deflect grab? No, you
I don't-
didn't.
no, I
What
don't
you
think so.
mean?
No, we didn't. No. We got grabbed in there.
Get him at the ground, like. Oh.
Right side? You wanna
Can
go
group
right?
up on rally.
Teleporter to
You're
the
right,
right. Teleport to the right. What? Why you teleport to the top?
What the frick? Okay, whatever. Let's go.
Here we go.
Okay, rally up and go in.
Like that. Yo, we gotta block that, man. We knew they had that. It's okay. Next time.
Yeah, got ult.
My ultimate is charging.
That Reaper's just coming behind us and getting way too much value.
Yeah, they have F blossoms. Watch out. So bridge, try to save your stun.
Yeah, just save your stun.
Ryan. Kill Brit. Zarya one shot.
Vera?
Just sit on the payload. We got it. That's it.
Yo, our bridge just got another rally, dude. What the heck?
It's
You
just
just
easy
used it
mode,
last
man.
fight.
Yeah.
You just used it last fight. It's crazy.
3-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Bastion.
Yeah, on default.
EE.
Nano blade.
What do you want? Brig, Mercy, Moira.
Oh.
UCO.
Mercy, if you can.
Actually, can we go
Can't you?
someone with a defensive ult? Can we go someone with a defensive ult, like a Zen or Lucio?
If you prefer Ana, I can go Zen.
No, because you want your damage boost on the Bastion, right?
If you're good at Zen, I'd rather Ana.
Okay. Good enough, Adam.
Your safety is not
Just in case they have the grab again. The only reason we lose fights is because they grab and Reaper all together. Like when they use everything together, we lose fights. That's the only time we lose. So having one defensive ult.
incoming.
Yeah, it's smart.
30 seconds.
Are we gonna hold high ground or are we holding back by the point?
We
well,
can
I'm
actually
not sure
just
where this is
hold right here. At this corner.
We need a May wall.
Because we don't
Not-
need to
not
go
if
out
you
there to
deploy
meet
grab,
them.
yeah.
They will come in.
Yeah.
And I don't
Actually,
care.
you can
Left
set up
side,
set up
right
up
side?
here. Over here. Set up on the boat right here.
No, then we get flanked from behind. Right here, we don't get flanked anywhere.
I'll watch
Okay,
the flag.
okay.
Okay, fine. I don't know, I like the high ground, but that's okay. Try to eat the charge from the
Technically, we can get flanked here, but you know.
yeah, from the left side. It's okay though.
We would have to be able to see that.
If they go
could
left,
go
we
up and
rotate
then
right.
Go down,
If they go left, we rotate right side.
Diva discorded.
Guys, there's a shield. You guys want to use the shield?
Our Genji feeds.
Yeah, we're
Almost
using
dead.
Reaper discorded, he's one. Reaper's fine, so watch out.
Can you check the back?
Reaper's above and behind. Reaper's above him.
Check the back.
The Reaper's above and behind. He's killing our backline.
He's
Oh,
killing
Genji,
all your
sorry.
healers.
you had one job. I'm kidding. I should have done that actually. I should have told
He's
you.
going back front on the left.
He's killing everyone.
Guys.
The fuck, guys?
Oh, we knew he was there. We said it. Leave, Orisa. Leave.
That's
Get
okay,
out. Get
that's
out. Get
okay.
out.
Pull, yeah, pull back, pull back,
We
pull
can
back.
take out 2 ticks. Take out 2 ticks.
Yeah, pull out.
Are we here? Are we here?
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
go,
let's go, let's go.
Come.
Focus, Ryan, one.
Right. Reaper
Behind the-
Reaper behind again.
Genji, you have one job, buddy. It's okay. I'm blaming you for no reason. I could have put them there, but.
Couldn't watch the flank.
Okay,
That's
it's
okay. We're together at least.
Got nano blade.
Oh, wait, and they use trans. They use trans. Yeah.
I'm gonna go sit on high ground. Hopefully Ash isn't
Here,
able to.
Doomfist, tell us when you're ready to dive in so we can nanoblade at the same time.
Ready.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, 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 nano. Reaper must die. I hate him. Kill Reaper, please.
Did you guys kill the Reaper? Still
Don't go
no?
2 balls deep.
Alright,
now
come
we're
back,
out.
come back. Fuck that Reaper, man.
Yeah.
We're playing this.
Tell me if you're
right
halting
here.
something. I'm looking for it.
Keep
I
a
have no
watch
hope,
on
no
left
hope right
side.
now. Left side flanking. Flanking for the shatter, flanking for the...
Zen's flanking behind you.
He's sleeping.
Okay, we should probably
What the shit
switch
was
back. Should we switch
Come
back to
back,
Rein's
come
Arctic?
back, come back. Yeah, we can do that. Come back.
Yeah, let's go.
Guys, come back. All the way back. Okay, see? This is what happened.
It's okay. One last fight at the end.
Just come back, just wait for fucking Doomfist. It's fine. No chip damage right now, come on.
Ryan's looking for a shatter. He's in the room to your right, Ryan.
Actually,
Don't walk forward, don't
I'm
walk
at
forward.
800
Okay, he's
ping
in that
now.
room. Walk.
He just said it.
I know. I turned around, he was there.
Guys, I might accidentally DC. I have 1,400 ping.
My ping's actually shit
Yeah, you
too. What the
got
hell?
Give a leg bomb.
30.
I can't move.
Zen, come and kill the Zen right here.
This Reaper's allowed to get too much value. One of our DPSs has to go May or something. One of you guys gotta go May. This Reaper's just pressing W and getting a lot of value somehow.
Wait, why are you Lucio?
So low.
The Reaper's still behind you.
They'll go tank.
Echo, what is
You
going
go
on?
road fucking all Reaper.
Yo, I can't see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to accidentally heal. Like I actually can't see what I'm doing. That's why I'm.
Okay, I'm going. I'll just hook Reaper.
Group up.
Like,
Don't
I'm
go
not-
out. Come back. Group.
I legitimately can't see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to accidentally heal you guys right now.
Just group up.
All right, let's go.
Reaper's behind. Gosh dang.
Guys, how is it? Somebody go. Okay, whatever.
Yeah, we got enough to kill the
The
Reaper.
fucking healer
Got
has
what
to
we
kill
need.
the Reaper.
Got what we need to kill Reaper. I just didn't realize he was behind us and I got healed first.
Come back, dude. Come back.
Ryan 1.
Reaper's down below.
Back up, back up. We don't want to get.
Speed.
Where's the Reaper? I heard the Reaper. Where's he at?
Reaper.
I think he's still on the side by your back.
Alright,
lines.
Lucio, you can come back now.
Thank you.
He's dead, he's dead, he's dead.
Oh, he's dead. He's dead. Okay, good.
My ping is fine now. We can switch after this if we need to. If not, we'll
Diva,
just-
Diva.
That's fine, Lucio.
Diva's.
Good job.
Yeah, we only need 2 fights. We need to find a way to stall this for 2 fights.
I got my ult.
Back up, back up, back up. Let me push.
Yo! Did anyone see that?
Fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back, fall back.
Okay, leave all the way. Leave all the way. 1 fight. Freeze him.
Freeze, Bob.
Shot the other. Shot him in the back, Ryan.
Good job.
Oh, nice. He just blew that.
Let's just
Get
speed
the
us.
Zen, get the Zen. Get the Zen. Good job.
Yo. Come back.
Can we go for a hook real quick? Drop the wall.
30 seconds
I need heal. Need heal.
Nice.
Good Reaper
pick,
said
dude,
he had ult.
nice. Coach.
They have bomb and nano, so watch out.
Get the Ryan, get the Ryan, get the Ryan.
Oh, you guys are all dead, actually. 1 fight. Leave.
Need a touch. We need
They're
to
gonna
touch.
push
We
it
need
in
to
on
touch.
that.
They're here.
I touch.
I almost have nano.
No, don't use that.
Get on. Use nano, use every.
Nano Genji.
It came up and
Okay,
then
it's
I
okay,
overtime.
we got
It's
overtime,
overtime.
we got overtime. Do you want to take back tank and I can go back healer?
It wasn't up until I died.
We're more than a minute, right?
Yeah.
So they
We
don't
got
get to
plenty of
go.
time.
We get to go. They don't get to go.
Probably gonna go Bastion, so let's go
Goats?
goat.
Let's get it.
Huh?
Let's get it.
Goats
Let's
with
go
Diva?
goats.
Select your
Yeah.
hero.
Anna goats.
Oh, let me go
Wait, no,
Lucio,
they can't
Diva.
play Lucio.
Yeah.
Can you?
I can play Lucio.
SK, SX gamer. You good with that, or you want to go Zarya? I don't mind playing other Zarya Diva.
We could even go
Okay. Traditionally, that's fine.
a 2 tank triple support with 1 DPS.
Rig is a DPS, let's be real.
We could go with that's
Oh,
true.
hi.
We could go with a
What bag?
Symmetra and just wall off the Bastion.
Huh? Oh, it's in my car.
Attack commences in 30
I see ya. Calm your goddamn titties.
Yep.
So, what? Dude, we're going bottom left.
Bottom left,
left.
and when we come out the
Bottom
rock, I'll
left,
boost
up,
us. We're just
and then
hooking all the way
straight to
around the
point.
left.
To
Yep.
the left side.
I'm boosting once we get out around that rock.
You guys sure you don't want to go top right? I don't mind either one.
No.
Yeah, let's go top.
No,
Yeah, okay.
Bottom left. Let's go, boys.
Lucio, where are you? Come on.
Right here. I'm gonna boost us when we get around the corner.
We'll see once we need to. If they're
you
not
ready?
forcing the
3?
speed, we don't need a speed.
Okay.
If they're not forcing the speed, once we see them. All right, now we'll go. Let's go. Reaper left side. Reaper behind.
Reaper behind us.
They have sim turrets.
Not anymore.
60 seconds
Okay.
remaining.
Leave if you can. Leave if you can. We have one more fight. Leave if you can. Leave if you can, please. Please leave. Please leave. We have 40 seconds. One more.
Get out, Moira.
Guys, you can't.
I couldn't get.
The healing needs to be more on point. You can't just die like this.
No,
Plus
it's
the
fine.
healer's
It's
got
fine.
no on back line.
Guys,
We're good. We're
come
good.
back, come back, come back. What? Why Winston? What is this?
30 seconds.
I don't. Let's go.
Go,
Let's go with
Mark.
it. Let's go with it.
Let's go.
He's
Once-
going for the.
let's go.
He's smart. He's
Speed,
smart.
speed,
I know why he's
speed,
doing it. Right
speed,
side.
let's
Right
go.
side. Right.
Let's go, speed! Speed!
Reaper's
Reaper.
so
Reaper.
broken
Reaper.
right now.
Reaper. This Reaper's literally just getting
Buff
infinite
Reaper,
values.
buff Bastion.
It's okay. It's a draw.
Guys,
Yeah, it's a
if
draw.
they have
Sucks.
a Reaper, why are we running Winston?
Okay, the reason he did it, like I know what he was
For the
thinking. He did it
turrets?
because of the sim turrets. For the sim turrets, it's fine. It was whatever.
I mean, Diva take care of the turrets too,
So did I.
right? As Ryan, I turn around and swing at the turrets.